Secure your home network in 1 minute. Follow 6 simple steps. Keeping your Wi-Fi safe protects your devices, passwords, and privacy. Step 1. Open your router's web interface using its local IP address. Step 2. Replace default admin passwords with a strong, unique passphrase. Step 3. Set Wi-Fi encryption to WPA3 or the strongest option available. Step 4. Create a separate guest network with its own password and limits. Step 5. Check for and install router firmware updates to fix vulnerabilities. Step 6. Review connected devices and remove anything unfamiliar or unauthorized. Turn off WPS and remote administration unless you absolutely need them. Save changes and reboot the router to apply your new security settings. Quickly confirm your main and guest networks, use the new settings, and work. Run a network security check now to ensure everything is secure and up to date.